Hey Charles, can you show us what a standard courtesy inspection looks like at Sturgis Ford?
Absolutely, I got you. Alrighty. First, I always like to check the tires. Neat little gauge here. Pretty quick, easy. Boom. 11's there. Work my way all the way around, all 4 tires. And I always like to pull my measurements from the same area on the tire. Alrighty. Next, I like to go through, same thing all the way around, check out our brake pad thickness. Close. Right. Same bit. A little bit of wiggle room there. Perfect. Perfect. Another thing I really like to check is we're checking out tires as well as wear, abnormal wear, stuff like that. Tire pressure, big thing. In this case, I already got it hooked up. I got this handy dandy fancy machine. Should be at the appropriate PSI and good to go. That does it for the outside. Now we're going to pop the hood, check out filters, stuff like that. First we'll check fluids, make sure it's up to the ample level. Looks good. Washer fluid, especially around this time of season, always good to keep full. Nice and full. Air filter. Some more shutters pop up. This one, fairly dirty. Recommend a new one there. Another big thing we definitely want to check out is going to be the batteries. I always disconnect one battery just so you get good readings from both. So again, this battery is actually bad. So good thing we checked. And keep the same on this side. Same size. Alrighty, and this one as well actually tested bad, so recommend both of those. Clean air filter. Inside here, located inside of the dash here, you'll have your cabin air filter. This filters all the air, all the fun stuff that you breathe on the inside of the vehicle, so definitely nice to keep that clean. This one, I would recommend it.